Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make zip sauce, the only way, a truly delicious and versatile condiment. This rich, savory sauce is perfect for steaks, roasted vegetables, or even dipping bread. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients to ensure a smooth and flavorful process. Get ready to elevate your meals with this incredible, easy-to-make sauce. First, we'll build our flavor base. In a small saucepan, melt half a cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 to 2 minutes, being careful not to brown it. This step is crucial for releasing the aromatic flavors that will define our zip sauce. Now, let's combine our liquids and spices to create depth. Pour in 1 cup of rich beef stock and 1½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to reduce slightly for about 5 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. For the perfect finish, remove the sauce from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley, which adds a vibrant touch and fresh aroma. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your liking. This rich, savory zip sauce is now ready to be served warm, enhancing any meal with its incredible flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.